Pakistan vs Ireland T20 Series 2024 Second T20 match Schedule and Best Playing 11 Start date 12 May Time 7 PM Venue Castle Avenue Cricket Ground Dublin Pakistan team playing 11 Number 1 Saim Ayub Number 2 Babar Azam Number 3 Usman Khan Number 4 Fakhar Zaman Number 5 Azam Khan Number 6 Iftikhar Ahmed Number 7 Shadab Khan Number 8 Ahmed Wasim Number 9 Shahinshah Afridi Number 10 Haris Rauf Number 11 Nasim Shah Ireland team Best Playing 11 Number 1 Andrew Balbirnie Number 2 Paul Sterling Number 3 Lurkan Dagar Number 4 Harry Tector Number 5 George Dockrell Number 6 Curtis Kemper Number 7 Mark Adair Number 8 Gareth Delaney Number 9 Barry McCarthy Number 10 Craig Young Number 11 Benjamin White